let's start a daily vlog. This is a challenge. I'll try to make it 2 weeks doing daily vlogs. Let's see how it goes. First of all, I'm heading to work now. I'm running late. My fucking eyes giving me headaches and making me dizzy. But yeah, heading to work now, July 1. Break. Didn't get any lunch break today because I had to go to the massage. My back hurts, my body hurts. I'm dizzy, migraine, and everything else. What a Monday. Anyway, sorry to give you a not so interesting vlog for today, but it should do for now. Anyway, I'm going back to work right now. I'm having lunch. Yeah, I just need to go back to work. Yeah, exactly. I'm heading home. It's so cold here in the city right now. I'm really shaking. I'm really shaking my hand. Damn it. Hey guys, so I just arrived home right now, and yeah, earlier this morning I was thinking I'm gonna do daily vlogs starting today. Today's July 1, but as everything just slowly sinked in, like everything. And the thing is, daily vlogs is like documenting what's happening in your life. It's mainly for me to edit, and at the same time, it's mainly for me to remember also. Like when I look at my old videos, I say like this was a time this happened. Then it's like an online online diary. But as I arrived home, or as I was heading home, everything started to sink in. I was like, I can't. I think I can't survive this. Like, maybe this is not a good idea. Maybe, I don't know. Like, everything, I was thinking of the edit time, everything. Like, I won't be able to keep up with the edits, or I would be very busy doing the edits and then forgetting about the other things that I need to do. But, yeah, I'm a bit scared. But, yeah, what the heck? I don't know what to think now. But anyway, let's give it a chance. I'll try to do 14 days of daily vlogging. And if I miss a day, well, I miss a day. Nothing to it. I've tried a lot of stuff before. I was trying to do the morning thing. Every time I wake up, I do a vlog or something. But this time, this is just going to be me documenting what's happening in my day. So, yeah, no pressure for me. And I'll enjoy it. Though, some of the days when I'm shooting weddings or I'm too tired to do something, I won't be able to put up a vlog. But either way, I'm gonna try it out. I'm a bit scared. I'm a bit skeptical. I might not survive 3 days or 2 days. But let's see how this goes. At the same time also, I'll still be uploading my travel vlogs, which are all on my 2 edits. But yeah, I'll be putting them on the same day. I might upload 2 vlogs in a day. And let's see how it goes. But for now, yeah, since I just arrived home, I'm going to prepare dinner. I'm going to fold the laundry, do my household chores, and take a nap, go to bed, whatever. So I'm gonna end the vlog today. So see you tomorrow if I convince myself to go ahead with the vlogs. Anyway, the quality is gonna be this way. I'm gonna be using this camera, and it's going low battery now. I need to go. Bye.